An overview. Ozymandias was composed by Shelley when he and his friend Horace Smith competed with each other to compose a poem on the partially destroyed statue of Ramses II, Ozymandias, that was being brought from Egypt to London in 1818. The statue of Ozymandias had gained sufficient interest, as Napoleon Bonaparte had attempted to get it transported to France from Egypt in 1790, but had failed due to its gigantic size and 7.5-ton weight. Shelley, like Napoleon and many others at that time, was fascinated by this giant statue. The central theme of this poem is the inevitable decline of the high and mighty, and time being the ultimate leveler. About the poet. Percy Bysshe Shelley was the son of a rich Tory squire. He was educated at Eton and later at Oxford. He was a poet, dramatist, essayist, as well as a novelist. Acknowledged as one of the finest lyric poets of the English language, he contributed majorly to English romantic poetry. His poems are critically acclaimed. Some of his well-known classic poems are Ozymandias, Ode to the West Wind, To a Skylark, Music, When Soft Voices Die, The Cloud, and The Mask of Anarchy. Shelley was influenced by the revolutionary ideas of the English philosopher William Godwin. Later, he even married Godwin's daughter, Mary, and settled in Italy. As fate would have it, he died very young at the age of 29 years on being drowned in the Gulf of Spezia, Italy. Ozymandias, Percy Bysshe Shelley. Listen to the poem Ozymandias, composed by Percy Bysshe Shelley. I met a traveller from an antique land, who said, 2 vast and trunkless legs of stone stand in the desert, near them on the sand. Half sunk, a shattered visage lies, whose frown and wrinkled lip and sneer of cold command tell that its sculptor well those passions read, which yet survive, stamped on these lifeless things, the hand that mocked them and the heart that fed. And on the pedestal these words appear, My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. Look on my works, ye mighty, and despair. Nothing beside remains, round the decay of that colossal wreck, boundless and bare. The lone and level sands stretch far away. Ozymandias, Percy Bysshe Shelley. Transcript. Summary. In this module, you have got an overview of the poem Ozymandias, learnt about its poet, and listened to its recitation.